Apple is set to redesign the way its devices are connected, according to a WSJ report. That, and the iPhone 8, could come. Ditching the Lightning port sounds unlike Apple, which has always believed in setting its own standards. Looking at the broader picture, this could be Apple's way of warning. Android is India's choice of mobile operating system, OS, and for good reason. Price vary. USB Type-C could mean that the post-Steve Jobs era at Apple is Lightning ports have been sort of nightmare for Apple users from